Alright, welcome back everybody to the Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing channel. Today we're going to be looking at a new ride, an MA chassis from Tamiya. This is the Stier, might be Stier, might be Stier, not entirely sure, but we're going to go Stier. This is part number 18660 and is considered one of their Pro chassis kits. Again, it's an MA chassis. Has this nice kind of supercar looking body, ABS body. To the side of the kit, it's going to have a black chassis. Of course, it's an MA, so it has the double shaft motor. Small diameter, low profile tires. These are not super hards. These are standard compound tires. 5-spoke wheels that are in the silver plastic. All of the internal build parts are going to be in black. Dark silver ABS resin body. 3.5 to 1 gear ratio and a set of 13mm rollers. 6 in total. Side view of the box. The other view, of course, a little bit of information here. It is inspired by the 2-seater hypercars. U-shaped front section sweeping back from the tip of the front fenders. AA batteries are going to be required, and then the tools required. Alright, so let's get inside the box and see what comes in this kit. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at here, which is odd that the body kit is actually in a poly bag. It's different. But it is, as you can see, a 3-piece body. So it's the front half, the rear half, and then of course the looks like the latch rear wing area. But I guess you kind of need this 3 sections to kind of give it this kind of removed section here, which looks kind of cool. Nice lines to it. It's a good looking body. It's actually kind of very like it is, like a hypercar body. Pretty cool. So there's the body set. Then of course the MA chassis. It's all in black. Nothing particularly different about this. Yeah, standard tires. No lettering, but standard tires. Don't really see too many people running these tires. They do offer good grip, but they do slow a car down in the corner. We're going to go ahead and run it with these tires anyway, just because it's a box stock kit. And it'll be interesting to see how these work with an MA chassis and these tires. Probably lots of forward grip. Your wheels, 5-spoke wheels molded in silver. They are an offset. You can see 2 here without and 2 with. So you're going to have a wider rear wheel, narrower front wheel. Then we'll go to the spare parts bag here. And again, all the parts in black. Got your top brace, kind of top cover, your bushings, brake, battery strap, your battery terminal locks, motor mount switch, rear catch, your 6 rollers here. So just standard MA parts. The internal bag, it's going to have the grease, your hard to pick up, axles, nice shiny axles, 3.5 to 1 gear ratio gears, mounting hardware, battery terminals, and your SMC dual shaft motor. We've got all the paperwork here. It's your manual. Of course, all of the building of the manual. Putting the tires on. inserting the battery terminals, the clips, your rollers, inserting the batteries, assembling the body, stickering the body. Oh, that's a front flap there, so that one piece doesn't go on the back here, it goes in the front. And I think that's probably about it. And then putting the body on the car. And then we have the sticker sheet. Like the blue, your windshield, side windshields, side windows, Stier, number 16. I guess you could probably put it upside down, say 91, I suppose, huh? And then your, not quite sure what that is. Maybe that's a Stier, like as in cow. Anyway, there's your decal sheet. And that's everything that comes in the Stier Mini 4-wheel drive car kit. And we're going to go ahead and leave you with, of course, the parts overview of all the parts. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos that we're going to release. Thanks for watching.